The pre-order link for the A1200 is live. Ho ho ho! Father Christmas here with some magical retro news. The legendary Amiga 1200 is back. Full size, with a real working keyboard, HDMI, USB and 25 classic games ready to play. And yes, you can load your own games too, including your favourite Amiga 500 classics. The Christmas magic has truly returned. Pre-orders are open right now, and these will fly faster than Rudolph on Christmas Eve. So don't delay. The pre-order link for the A1200 is live. Tap it below and secure yours today. Ho ho ho! Let the retro Christmas begin.